Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
atropine effect on salivary glands. Salivary glands atropine will decrease the secretions of the salivary glands and thus it results in dry mouth. So this dry mouth is actually the most common side effect of atropine in adults. Whereas if you were asked what is the most common side effect of atropine in children the most common side effect of atropine is hyperthermia, whereas in adults dry mouth is the most common side effect of atropine.
thank you and thank you for watching.